2018 Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi. Beautiful truck. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch all the way back, and we continued the 3-inch there into a 3-inch to 2.5 FLOWMASTER. The link will be in the description. It's a Super 10, and then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, factory, and we added 5-inch roll tips there and there to complete the look, make it sound really nice, really beautiful. Let you guys hear it in a second. That's how you dual these out. Change the muffler on it. There's the original muffler and the original tips. Tiny little things. We don't like those, so we gotta make them big because it's a big truck. Let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, baby. Music to my ears. Go ahead, gas. Sound decibels, go ahead. At peak it was like 107. Anything under 110 sounds really old. Like on the inside sounds good too. Man, those 5-inch tips, that's how they should come from the factory with 5-inch. Those tiny things they put on it don't look good.